Want to make your driving experience safer, smarter, and more comfortable without breaking the bank? The right car accessories can do just that. Whether you're upgrading your entertainment, improving safety, or just keeping your car clean, the best car accessories can transform your time behind the wheel. From intelligent pressure monitors to head-up displays and smart Android systems, this lineup has something for every kind of driver. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. M22 Car HUD Head-Up Display. The M22 Car Head-Up Display is an excellent upgrade for drivers who want to improve safety and awareness without constantly glancing at their dashboard. This digital GPS speedometer projects critical driving information directly onto your windshield, keeping your eyes focused on the road. It uses a bright, high-definition projector that minimizes reflections and remains visible even in daylight. Whether you are tracking speed, distance, direction, or trip time, the M22 HUD presents it all in a simple, clear layout. Its dual-mode chip supports both GPS and Baidu systems, offering 10 refreshes per second for highly accurate and real-time data. Number 4. Basius A5 Car Vacuum Cleaner. Keeping your car clean has never been easier thanks to the Basius A5 Car Vacuum Cleaner. This portable, cordless cleaner brings strong suction power and intelligent design together, making it ideal for anyone who wants a neat and hygienic car interior without the hassle of bulky equipment. Powered by a 90-watt brushless motor with a speed of 80,000 rotations per minute, the Basius A5 delivers up to 12,000 pascal of suction. This means it can easily lift dirt, hair, crumbs, and even fine dust from seats, carpets, and hard-to-reach areas. Number 3. 70mm Dash Cam Pro Plus A500S. The 70mm Dash Cam Pro Plus A500S is a sleek, powerful dash camera designed to give you peace of mind behind the wheel. Capturing ultra-clear footage at 1944 pixel resolution, it provides crisp visuals even in challenging lighting. The wide 140-degree field of view ensures comprehensive coverage of the road ahead, helping you capture every detail, from license plates to road signs. What makes this dash cam even more useful is the inclusion of GPS and add-ons, advanced driver assistance systems. With built-in GPS, it tracks your location, speed, and route data, which can be vital for insurance claims. add-ons offers lane departure and front collision warnings, helping prevent accidents before they happen. Number 2. Carlin Kit CarPlay AI Box Android 13. The Carlin Kit 2025 CarPlay AI Box is one of the smartest in-car upgrades available today. Designed to plug into cars with existing wired CarPlay, it instantly transforms your system into a wireless Android-powered dashboard with an upgraded Android 13 experience. You can switch between wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, supporting both iPhone and Android smartphones with a single device. Equipped with the Qualcomm SM6225 processor, the system runs smoothly and quickly, even under pressure. It offers multiple connectivity options, including support for SIM cards, Wi-Fi hotspots, Bluetooth, and GPS. The built-in GPS features a combination of Baidu, GLONASS, and standard GPS, ensuring accurate location tracking even in areas with poor signal. The AI box supports dual-band Wi-Fi and offers 2 powerful memory options: 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, or 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. Number 1. Dife Solar TPMS Car Tire Pressure Monitoring System. The Dife Solar Tire Pressure Monitoring System stands out as the best car accessory for one critical reason: safety. Keeping your tires at the correct pressure does not just save fuel, it can prevent blowouts, extend tire life, and improve handling. This system supports up to 8 bar or 116 psi and works with both summer and winter tires using separate sensor sets. It features a bright, orange screen display with anti-glare FSTN technology. This makes it easy to read during the day or night. The sensors activate when your tires move and enter sleep mode when the car is parked, conserving battery life. Powered by a monocrystalline solar panel, it remains energy efficient and maintenance-free. Real-time tire pressure and temperature readings help you make smarter decisions, such as whether to adjust air conditioning or activate a humidifier. It also includes 6 critical safety alerts, including high and low tire pressure warnings, tire leaks, sensor battery status, and connection failures. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.